The first architecture we'll take a look at is multiple production facilities. So here we have California, and New York. So in California, if we have ignition installed, we have PLCs that we're talking to, we have clients, and we have our runtime database. Okay, and they're all talking to ignition here with the MES. So we're collecting data from our PLCs, we're getting information and displaying information to our clients, and we're storing our data in the runtime database. And I'm going to keep it simple here and not write all the labels, but we have the same thing over in New York. PLCs, clients, and our runtime database. So this can be totally self-sufficient. It doesn't rely on a WAN to operate. This is the same thing. And then let's say that we in another state, let's call it Ohio. Let's say corporate is in Ohio. And in corporate we have a data center, corporate data center, and we can put our analysis database in corporate data center. And this will write to each of these, will write to that corporate database. And that goes over store and forward. Or I should say goes through store and forward over a WAN. So what happens is if you lose your WAN connection here from California, it caches the data here locally in California. As soon as that connection comes back up, your data starts passing through, and you don't lose any data in the case of a WAN outage or network outage. Then what that does for you is you can have ignition running up here, and you can have clients wherever in the world attached to that, or even the mobile. And you can now do analysis across multiple production facilities. So you could end up with a chart on this client, and maybe it's a bar chart with OEE over a date range, and this is California, and this is New York. And so you can do analysis like that. You can see your downtime, you can see quality information, any of the MES module information you can see over multiple production facilities this way. And they are very robust architecture, because if your WAN connection goes down for some reason, the data is cached, and then as soon as it comes up, it does get passed through. But in the meantime, this location can continue to run without interruption.